What's up? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip-hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip-hop choreography. In this basic hip-hop dance combo series episode, we'll be adding arms to our second 8 count. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next levels and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so this episode we will be using episodes 1 through 3. So if you haven't checked those out yet, be sure to check those out before coming to this one. Alright, so let's start from the last couple 8 counts from our first 8 count with our arms. So I'm going open, close, open, close. Okay, so from here, all I'm gonna do for the first 4 8 counts is I'm just gonna use my pants pockets and almost make my arms look a little bit bigger versus tucking them. So I want you to flare out your elbows a little bit, and all I'm really doing is keeping them here and letting my legs do the work for the first 4 8 counts. So I'm going down, 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 down. Okay, so again, arms staying here, flaring out your elbows, just to make it look a little bit bigger, not really relying on them and letting my legs kind of take over. Okay, so we're here. So 5, 6, 7, 8 to your pockets, down, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is where we're gonna let our arms kind of almost control our legs. Okay, so I'm gonna cross in, I'm gonna go and out. So I wanna think in and out. So I'm thinking in with my elbows, back with my elbows, and then flare out with my hands. So going in, out, pop, boom, boom, 1 and 2. Okay, so with my legs, it's almost like I'm controlling my legs. So in, out, up. Okay, so let's try that again. 6, 7, 8. I'm going in, out, up. One time. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going in and down. Okay, so same thing going the other way. I'm gonna go in, out, out. So think it's 3 moves, and same thing with our feet. 3 moves. Okay, so same thing over here. So I'm going 1, 2, 3. One more time. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3. One time. 6, 7, 8, going down, up, down. Okay, so let's try to put it together. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1 and 2, 1 and 2. One more time. 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so let's try to put it together with everything from the last 8 count from the first 8 count. Here we go. So first 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and pockets, and pockets, and in, out, and in, out. Good, let's try it again. So 6, 7, 8. I'm going open, close, and pockets, and in, out, in, out. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 6, 7 from the last 8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes pockets, and in, out, and in, out. Good, let's try it again. So 6, 7, 8. This goes back, forward, and pockets, and down, and down, down, and down. All right, so let's try this from the very top of our very first 8 count from episode 1. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes open, close, open, close, open, new part, pockets, and in, up. Good, let's try that again. Here we go from the top. So 6, 7, 8. Going open, close, to the back, to the front, to the back, to the front, and pockets, and in, up, in, up. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 6, 7 from the top, and open, close, open to your pockets, down, 2, 3, open up, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, right, so key takeaways for this episode, we're really trying to flare out our elbows and also create space underneath our armpits just so we look a little bit bigger, a little bit more confident in our movement versus closing off here, okay? Second one is with the second arms, I'm really trying to almost control what my legs are doing. So as my legs go in, putting my arms in. As they come out, bring my arms out. And as I go down, just bring my arms up to make that down look a little bit bigger. All right, so again, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.